Penny at SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a piece that was very recently added to our showcase. This is an unworn Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust in the 28mm lady size. This watch is not only a great example of Rolex design and it's just a beautiful piece to look at, it's also got this incredibly unique and gorgeous green dial. I love this minty Kelly light green color, and you can see as I move it around it's got this beautiful sunburst effect with very subtle stripes, pinstriping on the dial that adds this really subtle detail to it. I think this green also pairs so beautifully with this yellow gold two-tone jubilee bracelet and diamond bezel. I think it makes the entire watch feel very playful and very fresh and just a really modern take on a Rolex piece. I think this is a great choice for someone who wants the classic Rolex design but with a very fun and unique dial with a lot of diamonds. This piece is entirely unworn with box and card and ready for you to purchase today. Check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.